Hello, I'm Andrew Ditton. Many of us with plain mirrors on our cars and vans have had a near miss on the motorway with people hanging in our blind spot. So this is where the Milenco Aero blind spot mirror is an extremely useful accessory. It passes all European standards, so it's E-marked for safety, and as a semi-permanent fixture it's extremely secure on the mirror, no vibration, and a very wide angle lens, so you can see exactly who's sitting in your blind spot. So as a semi-permanent fixture you need to remove the casing with a screwdriver. And the clamping mechanism fits practically all mirrors, all cars, 4x4s, motorhomes, vans. So there you have it, very secure, and the aerodynamic shape not only helps with fuel consumption but also keeps the mirror very stable. Certainly an extremely worthwhile investment.